Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I've been joined by Juliet.
Hi everyone.
And we're going to be chatting about our France trip. So come and join us.
That's all.
So,
We've finally booked France. Everything's booked and all sorted out now. The ferry, the sites are all booked, and we just wanted to share with you which route we're taking, because we was asked were we going to go via Dover, and we said no, actually we're not this time.
no, we're not. What we've decided to do is we're going to leave the northwest and travel down the M6 and continue down to the M40 and then down to Portsmouth, where we're going to be staying overnight, aren't we?
We have. We've booked a fully serviced pitch overnight, so there's no rush for the ferry. We can actually take our time, especially for me, so we can stop quite a lot and not get stressed out, really.
Yeah. And we've also got Are We There Yet with us as well, don't forget.
We have. We've got Alfie with us, so yeah.
So yeah, that's his new name, by the way. Are We There Yet? So yeah, we've basically, yeah, we decided that we were going to break it up. We were going to do one long run down to Portsmouth, stay overnight. I mean, this place, like Juliet said, it's fully serviced pitch for one night, which was really
they're
pleased.
quite happy just to book you in for one night.
Yep.
So that was really good. They had no problems just for one night.
No, we had to pay in advance though, didn't we?
Yeah, which I thought was fair enough. Yeah.
So then, Portsmouth to San Malo. Yes, we're going down to San Malo. Off the ferry at San Malo, and that will take us almost directly to our campsite. We've got a Caravan and Motorhome Club site.
We have. We booked everything through the Caravan and Motorhome Club site. I must admit they were very helpful, because we booked it last year, and it said the campsites weren't actually taking the bookings, so
no, they weren't.
Did vouchers first, and then we sorted it out when everything came through. But said, they were so helpful.
Yeah, I have to say it was the best way to do it for us. It worked so well, and we saved about £200 or £300 on the ferry as well with the club, didn't we?
Yeah, it was. And they said they went through it. Which did we need? Cabin, which we have actually booked. We thought that was the best way to do, because it's the overnight one that we go out on, and then a day one we turn on as well.
So yeah, well, return, yeah, back from the camp, which is here. And we will be then travelling back to San Malo on the ferry. Now, that's a day crossing, isn't it?
It is. We get it on it in the morning, and then we land back into Portsmouth, I think, late, well,
it's about
early
7 o'clock.
Yeah, about 7 o'clock.
So, what we decided to do was, although we're not sleeping on it, we decided to book a day cabin, didn't we?
Well, yeah, just if you want to freshen up, you just want to, for you, have a bit of a break or anything. It's just somewhere you can go and sit out of the way. Yeah.
So we decided that on that. It was a little bit cheaper, obviously, because you're not sleeping in it. So we did that. And then we're back at the same site at Portsmouth, aren't we, that evening?
Yeah, we booked in again. Again, they're quite happy for you to just do a quick overnight stop. Said, same again, they do just request that you pay up front, which I can admit it's fair enough. Because,
yeah, it is fair enough.
You're only booking for the odd night, then they don't want people cancelling on them, because they can't book anybody else in.
No, they don't. So yeah, well, and then obviously then it's back home, really. Alfie's will be collected from our house by his mum. So that's sort of roughly the route, isn't it, that we're going to do?
It is roughly the route that we're going to be taking. Obviously, I said we'll be filming some of it to show you, what it's like, and I said and how we get on doing that route. How if it's stress free, or is it better travelling overnight? We have previously though done the Dover by car.
Yeah, we have.
So we do know what it's like going that way. So
it's a lot. It's very rushed, isn't it? If I remember rightly.
It's from living in the northwest. It is quite a journey down there, because we did used to live down Surrey, so we know what it can be like taking that route.
Now, with all that in mind, we've decided that we're going to do a couple of videos as well. One of them is going to be actually showing you how we prep this caravan to tow to France, because how we tow with it at the moment and how we're going to take it to France is going to be completely different.
It will be different because it says it will be warmer, and also is we're going to have to look at weight of what we're actually taking to reduce down the weight, because we'll be taking more things because we'll be there a few weeks. So we will be showing
so we're going to have to be very weight conscious. Plus I want to bring the odd Beaujolais back when I come back as well. Obviously within the rules. Now there's another video as well which will also be about planning the route, and also what you require to take with you to tow in France. So we will be doing a video on that as well.
I must admit though, I said we are super excited that we are actually doing this. We are super excited.
I doubt we'll ever do it again, but I think this might be, for us, it might be just a one-off, but never say never.
No, never say never.
So that is our little update. We'd also like to thank everybody who's recently subscribed to the channel. Thank you and welcome. And also a big thumbs up to everybody who's been with us for a long time.
Yes, thank you very much.
Anyway, it's time to go now.
It is, yes.
Indeed. Bye for now.
Bye.